Imagine playing a game where the controller is your brain, and every quick answer earns you points. In this level, you'll use mental maths tricks to beat puzzles, speed rounds, and minute tournaments. Ready to turn maths into your superpower? Press start. Now picture maths as that video game. Your mission is simple: turn fear into fun. Every mistake becomes XP that powers you up, and the more you enjoy it, the faster your skills grow. Here's how this speed round works. Set a timer for 30 to 60 seconds. Flash yourself multiplication questions and answer out loud as fast as you can. No writing, no pausing. Aim to beat your own score each round. For today's run, focus on patterns with 9s and 11s, plus squaring numbers that end in 5. Take a breath, then go full turbo brain mode. In this course, you actually choose how you want to play maths. You can go head to head and try to beat your own record, or team up and act as strategy coaches. Notice which style feels more fun for you. We'll use both modes as we go. Think about practice that really does feel like a video game. You race the clock, unlock levels, and see your score instantly. Each sprint is a mini quest to beat your last result and outsmart your own brain. So, in this maths game, which power up would you grab first? Lightning fast checks with 9s, rapid 11 times tricks, instant squares ending in 5, or combo moves for bigger multiplications? Keep your favorite in mind, you'll use it a lot. Now imagine your brain inside a maze. Every correct move lights up a new path. You're about to swap boring drills for number mysteries, hidden patterns, and logic traps you can crack using smart mental tricks. A magic square is a number puzzle where every row, column, and diagonal has the same total. Here, our target is 15. Start with the numbers you're given and mentally add to see what's missing. For example, if a row has 8 and 1, that already makes 9, so you need 6 more. Keep spotting quick combinations that make 15 until every line adds up correctly. Here's where the 11 trick turns into a detective game. For two-digit numbers times 11, the middle digit is the sum of the outside digits. In this puzzle, the middle digit is 9, and one outside digit is 4. So 4 plus what makes 9? It's 5. That tells you the mystery number must be 45. Picture yourself in a supermarket line, working out the total before the cashier. Instead of adding every price in order, grab the friendly numbers first. 9 and 11 make 20. Then quickly add the extra 7 to get 27. This grouping trick works with any prices and makes money maths feel like a quick game in your head. Now imagine you're at a race. One lap is 400 meters. For 9 laps, think 10 laps is 4,000. Then subtract 1 lap. 4,000 minus 400 equals 3,600 meters. For time, say your 3 stops are 8, 12, and 15 minutes. Add 8 and 12 to get 20. Then 20 plus 15 makes 35 minutes, all done mentally, using simple steps. Next, you become the game designer. Pick one idea and actually build it: a flashcard race, a mini math mystery, or a board game that uses your favorite tricks from this course. Write the questions, decide how players move, and how they score points. Then test it on a friend or parent. If they can play and learn from it, you've truly mastered the maths behind it. By now, you've shown it. When you train your brain, numbers become a game, not a monster. You boosted speed, solved tricky puzzles, and used maths for real life wins. Keep practicing these tricks, and you'll carry a quiet superpower with you wherever you go. You unlocked a whole set of mental maths power UPS. Keep them sharp, race your own best times, challenge a friend, and notice where these tricks show up in schoolwork and games. Pause, practice, and come back ready for the next level.